What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can read WhatsApp messages without the double tick. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do, first you have to open up your WhatsApp app. So after opening the WhatsApp app, you have to click on this three dot bar icon in the top right corner. Then you can see there is a bunch of options. What you need to do, you have to click on settings. After clicking on settings, you have to scroll a little bit. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow the steps that I'm going to show you. After scrolling that, you can see here is the option called privacy. You have to click on it. Then you can see here is the option called read receipt. You can see if it turned off, you won't send or receive read receipt. Read receipt are always sent for group chats. So if you turned it off, then no one can see that either you seen their message or not. So this is it guys, this is the simplest way. I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.